You won't believe the weird sound this bird makes. It's like it's talking to aliens. Before that, if you want more videos about animals, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and comment heart if you love also weird sound of birds. Here's the first one, the shoebill sound. Next one is the majestic loon bird. The third bird is the kookaburra. The fourth bird is the screaming paya bird. This kind of bird are found in South America. The fifth bird is the kiwi. This bird are native to New Zealand. Finally, the dinosaur sound of cassowary. Which of these birds for you are fascinating? You can comment it down.